はね、富山県の射水市っていうところに来てます。これはね、新港大橋っていう橋で、どっかこの辺にね一人でヨット作っている人がいるって聞いたんで来てみたんですけど、どこなんですかね。どこなんですかね。あ、すいません。はい。なんかこの辺でボートを作ってる人いるって聞いたんだけど。
私ここの人間じゃないもんで。
あ、そう。
わかりません。ごめんなさい。
あれ。すみません、ここにね、一人でヨット作ってる人いるって聞いたんですけど、
はいはい、
ご存知ないですかね。
すぐそこですよ。
あ、すぐ。
はい。
あ、そう。はい。
そうですね。建物ありますね。
はい。
あそこなんですけど。
あ、そうなんですか。
はい。行けば、
はい。
今日門開いているからおられると思います。
あ、じゃあ行ってみますね。はい。ありがとうございます。
どうも。
この建物みたいですね。こんにちは。この辺でヨット作ってる人がいるって聞いたんですけど、知ってますか？ I just say, I heard that there's somebody else who is making a boat by himself, but do you know him?
Me? Yeah, that's me.
Oh, that's you.
That's me.
すいません、ありがとうございます。
Yeah.
はい。
And this is my boat.
Oh yeah. これがボートなんですね。でかい。
Yeah. So come down here.
でかいね。
Yeah, so this is the front
Front.
of the boat.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah, so this is my baby. Yeah.
Uh, how old is this baby?
2.5 years I've been building this.
I see.
Yeah.
How many more?
Hopefully about 1.5 years
1.5 years. I see.
to finish.
The next years?
Yeah, so
Next-
hopefully July in 2025.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
でかいね。
Well, a catamaran. So there's two hulls
Uh-huh.
and then joined in the middle.
I see. Catamaran.
Catamaran, yeah. This was already cut. This was pre-cut. So this is one of like the face for one of the closets.
Uh-huh.
So this was already cut out in Melbourne. So I started off with four piles of plywood this height. Now
Okay,
this is
height.
all that's left.
I see. So you already used other
Yeah.
part of it.
And the design.
全部英語で書いてるんだね。
Yeah, come on upstairs and have a look.
はい。
In this area here will be a hybrid motor and double bed
I see.
on top.
うーん。
And then out here will be a like a sun lounge out here. And in here will be a kitchen
うん。
here, and then lounge and dining will
あ、じ
be
ゃあない。
like the lounge and dining table here.
うーん。
And this is the bathroom. So
Bathroom.
yeah, so there'll be a shower here.
へ
There's either the toilet down there,
それ。
and a hand basin.
And what?
Hand basin.
Oh, I see, I
Alright.
see, I see.
Right. And then another closet here, and then another smaller bedroom
I see.
up in there. So there'll be probably 2 or 3 bunks
I see.
up forward there.
How many people can get on the boat?
Get on it or sleep on it?
Yeah, sleep on it.
Sleep, probably 6 to 7.
Yeah.
What we call the owner's suite. So double bed, and then from here forward is like a larger bathroom. And here there'll be some freezer, and refrigerator,
refrigerator.
probably a washing machine here as well.
Washing machine too. It's like a house.
Yeah. And then the helm, the steering, will be in this position here. And the mast, that's the mast.
Which one?
That big long,
Oh yeah. The wood.
the aluminium.
Aluminium. I
Yeah.
see.
So there's 2 pieces. That's in half at the moment. So it's 24 meters long. The mast will sit here. We'll be mounted here. We'll go up, and then all of the sail controls to be able to control the sails, the main sail, the fore sail, will all be controlled here.
Control by what?
There'll be a winch, 2 winches, and so you control all the ropes, all the ropes that go to the sails. They're called lines. Yeah, they all come here, and so then you can control the boat standing here. So it's
これがマストなんだよね。これがマストらしいです。What brought you to Japan to make this boat?
Oh, yeah. Well, my wife is originally from Toyama, and her mother is not well. And so we knew we had to come to Japan to look after her. And so I wanted something to do. And so I started to look on the internet for ideas.
I see.
I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So I was searching on the internet, looking, and I found a guy, Australian actually, had built a catamaran in Australia. I went, that's an idea. And so then I started looking for catamaran designs.
Actually, how much is this kit?
The kit itself, just the kit, just the plywood, was about $80,000.
Okay.
All up, it's probably going to cost just under $500,000.
$500,000.
Yeah.
And Nihon, and how much in Japanese?
So 50 million.
50 million.
50 million,
Expensive, isn't it? Okay. Wow. Do you sometimes feel lonely walking by yourself?
No.
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 Why?
What? Well, I'm not here all the time by myself.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So people drop in and say hello, and
Oh.
stop and have a cup of coffee. And,
Oh yeah,
so
I see.
yeah. Yeah, so
Oh.
diesel motors here.
This is engine.
Yeah.
Uh,
And then there'll be an electric motor here. So I could either use one or the other. You can use the diesel, or you can use the electric motor to drive the boat. Yeah, so the bracketing, so the brackets and how the gears and clutches and things are going to work and all the bearings to make it all work.
So what is salt and light?
So, yeah, salt and light is, it's out of the Bible, and I'm a Christian. And so Jesus said about his followers, you are the salt of the earth and the light of the world. And so as salt, it enhances the flavour of food. And that's how I see myself, seeing, enhancing the lives of people that I meet. Maybe encouraging them in their life pursuits. And in this project, letting people see that bigger dreams are possible.
Oh yeah. I see.
I try to.
What are you going to do when you finish this boat?
Going to sail to Australia.
Sail to Australia?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you confident about doing that?
Yeah, no problems.
No problem.
No problems.
I see. Do you have a good experience of a sailing boat?
I'm going to get some lessons during this year with with the yacht club.
I see. Do you want to sail with your wife?
My wife gets seasick, so I'm not sure whether she will come or not.
I see.
It may just be some guys from the yacht club, probably 5 or 6.
5 or 6?
Yeah.
That sounds very safety.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, look, anyone is welcome to come and have a look at the boat. I'm more than happy to have visitors come. Yeah, come and have a cup of coffee with me.
Okay, hi.
Let me practice my Japanese. My really bad Japanese.
そうなの。じゃあお邪魔しました。
はい。
さようなら。はい。
Bye-bye.
はい
Yeah.
チャンネル登録よろしくね。